In this video, I'll show you how to buy USDT with Payoneer and what options are actually possible. First, it's important to know that Payoneer does not support direct cryptocurrency purchases on most exchanges. That means you usually won't find Payoneer listed as a payment method when buying USDT on platforms like Binance or other crypto exchanges. Instead, the common method is to first withdraw your Payoneer balance to your bank account. Log in to your Payoneer account, go to Withdraw and Transfer, then choose Withdraw to Bank. Select your bank account, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm the withdrawal. Next, once the money arrives in your bank account, open your crypto exchange account such as Binance, Kraken, or another supported platform. Go to Buy Crypto, choose USDT, Tether, and pay using your bank account, debit card, or another supported payment method connected to your exchange account. Another possible route is using peer-to-peer platforms, where some traders may accept Payoneer as a payment method. However, this depends on the seller and carries higher risk, so you should always verify the platform's rules and Payoneer's acceptable use policies before doing this. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.